Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy for growing your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then after that I'll be explaining how this strategy works. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, we are going to be adding the moving average, which is our first indicator here. Alright, so you click on this plus icon. Alright, you search for your moving average. Alright, so these are the properties for this one. The period is 12, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to exclude. The level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it color green, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Okay, the next indicator here is still a moving average. All right, so you click on this main window plus icon, you search for your moving average again, you make the period 24, shift is 0, method is exponential. The apply to is close. The levels, you make it, leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. All right, the color for the star is blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, now the next indicator we have here is a relative strength index. Okay, you have to click on this main window plus icon, then you search for your relative strength index. Okay, you make the period 1, apply to is close. The level, you make it 15 and 85. The color is blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, the time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it color white, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Okay, now the last indicator we have here is a MACD. All right, so you click on this indicator in the 1 plus icon, and then you search for your MACD. All right, these are the properties. The fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to exclude. The levels, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. The main, you make the color white, 3 pixel. The signal, you make the color blue, 3 pixel, and after that you click on done. So once you have set everything the way I explain it, you are going to have a screen like this one right here. Okay, now this is a spike catching strategy. All right, this strategy we are going to be using it to catch spike. Okay, so before I explain it, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy which I've been giving out to my VIP members. Okay, is a strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, and this particular strategy, even a beginner can use it to grow their small account. Okay, beginner that don't even know how to trade can use this strategy I'm talking about. Okay, so if you are interested in getting this strategy, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that is that about that. All right, now back to this particular strategy here. Okay, so this is how the strategy works. Okay, this blue and green line here on the main chart is serving as a support and resistance zone. All right, and whenever price breaks above it, it means that price has broken above the support and resistance zone, and it will come back for a retest and start going up. Okay, this will show you that price has broken above support and resistance zone. So whenever there's a spike and you see it broke above this zone, it means that it will come back to retest and then continue to the upside. Okay, and now how do you know that the support and resistance zone is a strong one? Okay, the indicator here is going to tell you that. Okay, now here on the indicator window, you monitor this blue line here. Right, whenever it gets to the 15 level, it means that price has gotten to the oversold level, which is a strong support and resistance zone. Okay, so it's going to make price bounce to the upside, just as you see here. All right, it's going to make it bounce. All right, so now whenever you see this gets to this level, all right, you wait for a spike. So whenever there's a spike and it breaks above this 2 moving average here, then it means that a is a good one. Okay, you should use it to take opportunity and take your entry in the market. Okay, now this is what you do. right? So whenever there's a spike, whenever this gets to the oversold level and there's a spike, right? So whenever there's a spike, this is what you do. You check the indicator window, you monitor this white line here, all right? So if you see this white line, as you can see here, it's facing up, and unlike this one is touching the 85 level, but this one here, this is the first spike. When the first spike happened, you observe it. If it's not yet touching the 85 level, then it's a very good opportunity for you to take entry from. Okay, you can see it's give a small upward movement here, all right, but it's not yet touching the overbought level, all right. So in this kind of cases, you quickly go into the market, all right. You take your buy from this area, all right, and then you place your stop loss below this area here. Place your stop loss below the support, the structure which that candlestick made. Okay, so your stop loss should go below this area here, all right, and then you wait for price to do its thing. Okay, so now for your TP, you are going to wait for this white line here or the blue line to get to the overbought level here, which is our 85 level. So once you see this blue line touching this level or the white line touching this level, it means that you should exit the market. The market has gone to the overbought level, so you need to exit and then look for another opportunity. Okay, so take note of this, guys. Whenever there's a spike and you see this white line here, it will face up just like this or this one, but if it's not yet touching the overbought level, then you should grab that opportunity and take entry. Okay, just like as you can see, it spiked and broke above the blue and green line on the overbought level. You check your indicator, is giving this small sign here, then you should go in for your buy entry. All right, this is a spike catching strategy, so you just go in. Okay, now I'll show you guys another example again so that you understand what I'm saying very well. All right, so here you can see there was a spike, right? It broke above the blue and the green line here on the main chart. So here on the indicator window, you can see it gives this small sign, right, which is not yet touching the 85 level. All right, so once you observe this kind of thing, you quickly go into the market, you place a buy. All right, once you see this kind of thing and it's not yet touching the overbought level, it means that another spike will come, all right, that will go and touch that level before it stops. Okay, so once it's like this and you see that it's above this support and resistance zone here, which is the 2 moving average, then it means another spike will come, right? So this is like breaking and retest, and then more spike will come to the upside. Okay, so you can see that it happened here again. All right, so make sure you observe that. But if like in this kind of case, you can see immediately a spike, this here is now touching the overbought level. You can see this spike, and this here is now touching the overbought level. You don't need to take this kind of entry because there are some cases where it might not spike again. Okay, because this here, the indicator window is trying to tell you that price has gotten to the overbought level and it will start reversing from that area. All right, but in this kind of case where it will spike and give this kind of small sign here, crossing the 0 level, facing up, but it's not yet touching the overbought level, then it means another spike will come. Okay, it might be like this, right? So far it's not yet touching the overbought level, which is the 85 line here, then you should enter, more spike will come. Okay, so that is how the strategy works. That's the secret of the strategy. Okay, that's the secret of the strategy. You can see here it happened here, it spiked, crossing the 85 level, all right, facing up. You take your entry from around this area, you hold, stop loss is below this zone. You can see that more spike will come till it gets to this level before it starts going down. All right, before it starts going down. All right, so that is how it works. Okay, so what I want you guys to do now is to practice very well with this strategy. Don't just take my words for it. Make sure you practice and you have confirmed that it's working for you before you trade with your hard-earned money. Okay, so that is basically what I have for you guys in today's video. So I think I'm going to be ending the video right here now. Okay, so make sure you backtest the strategy or you practice very well with it before you go in with your hard-earned money, okay? So if you're a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And please don't forget to give the video a like if you know you are getting value from it, okay? So for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. All right, make sure to join and your life will never remain the same, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. For the zoom level, you zoom out completely and then you zoom in twice, okay? You zoom out completely, you zoom in 1, 2, and 3. All right, you zoom in 2 times or 3 times. All right, that's the zoom level for this strategy. All right, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Silver out.